Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to Clunker Revival. First up, let's see if this old Clunker has spark. We remove the spark plug, hook it up to a ground, kick it over, and see if it puts out some spark. Happy to report that we have spark. Next up, it's time to give it a little go juice with the carburetor fully open. Let's kick it over a couple times and see if we got some luck. Two kicks and we had some success.
Put gas tank on, let's go ride.
As my good friend Jeff noted, it was time to put the gas tank on and see what ran through it. First we had some brown gunk come through, partly water, partly gas. Didn't look too good. Ran some more fresh gas through it. It cleaned up nicely and it looked like it was good enough to run. Remember, it's not rocket science or a Cadillac. It's just an old Clunker. Next step was really to make sense of the wiring harness. We had two big areas that we really needed to clean up. First, under the seat, there was a gigantic mess, and then under the headlight, there was a gigantic mess. Plus, we had a kill switch on the handlebar that we wanted to make sense of. It took some doing, but we got everything working. After making sense of the wiring harness, we decided to test the transmission. We then put it in first gear and see if that old clutch would engage and come to a crawl. Next up, we made some adjustments to the carburetor, let it get warm, adjust the idle, and man, we got this old bike to sing again. So I thought we found some success today, and there was nothing left to do but to give it an old test drive and ride it like you stole it. So with that, we leave you today with me trying to ride my first motorcycle in 12 years. Stay tuned to the next Clunker Revival, where we take a deep dive into this wiring harness, and we also take a deep look into this carburetor.